The REDRIE Foldable Drone RD-1080P is a perfect drone for beginners and kids, offering features like one-key start and an upgraded hover system for easy control and stable flight, thus making it easier to capture high-quality footage. The drone is equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p HD camera, which allows for superior aerial photos and videos, and using the Redrie Fly app and FPV transmission enables live video watching and drone control from further distances. The drone boasts a multitude of captivating features such as Waypoint fly, gesture selfie, 360-degree flips, voice control, circle fly, rotation fly, 3 speed modes, headless mode, and one-button takeoff landing, promising an enjoyable flying adventure for both beginners and skilled players. With 2 rechargeable batteries, the drone offers up to 25 minutes of flight time and includes safety features like overcurrent protection, emergency stop, 4 propeller guards, and a low-power alarm for a safe and reliable flight. The Redrie drone comes with 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and a refund guarantee for all customers, making it a trusted flying companion and an excellent gift choice for friends and family. Despite its compact size, the drone measures 305 millimeters in length, 225 millimeters in width, and 79 millimeters in height, and it comes with a storage case for easy transportation and storage.